Hello, my name is Taya and welcome to Preston Audi. Today I'll be talking about this approved used BMW X4 xDrive finished in the individual urban grey paintwork. This powerful 2024 model comes with a 3-litre petrol engine with 355 horsepower, 4-wheel drive and automatic transmission, delivering a 0 to 60 in just 4.9 seconds. The top features include the striking adaptive LED headlights for great visibility, large 21-inch alloy wheels with red M Sport calipers, rear privacy windows for passenger comfort, electric folding wing mirrors, sleek badging around the entire vehicle including X4 and M Sport badging at the side and front, and this is all topped off with front and rear parking sensors paired with front and rear parking cameras that make up a 360-degree view of your vehicle for awkward manoeuvres. This is alongside an electric tailgate that reveals a spacious 525-litre boot capacity for all your travel essentials, so you'll be covered whether it's a family day out or weekend road trip. Moving inside, you'll be greeted with M Sport front door sill trims, along with a Harman Kardon premium sound system for you and all your passengers to enjoy clear, crisp audio. In the rear, you'll find a luxurious full leather trim for that premium look and feel, in addition to M Sport coloured seat belts and a pull-down armrest with built-in cup holders and rear climate control with 2 USB-C charging ports. The front houses the heated multifunctional leather steering wheel, complemented with a classy passenger dashboard, along with a large central touch display, climate control, a central console, and front full leather seats that are electrically adjustable with M Sport coloured seat belts. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vital driving data, audio and telephone connection, and even a full view display of the built-in navigation system. Moving across, the large central touch display houses similar options, including various radio and telephone connection and navigation for assisted travels. From here, you can also find wireless connection of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can also access and adjust the interior lighting, where you can choose from a range of different colours to set the ambient lighting to your personal preference. You can also access a range of driver modes to suit you, whether it be for sport, comfort, or for any other preferred driving style. You can also view the reversing and 360-degree camera when manoeuvring the vehicle. Just below, the 3-zone climate control offers a personalised temperature to meet you and your passengers' needs, with optional heated front seats that are also available. This is alongside the central console that features a hidden compartment with a wireless charging pad and 2 cup holders, a gear shifter, a central armrest that reveals another hidden compartment with an additional USB-C charging port. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.